It is not hoarding, it is inspiration. Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today I'm going to share with you how I made these little wallets. I'll show you this one here. I have used a printed one of my ephemera kit. I printed and double-sided, so you got the print on two sides. They're basically paper wallets to store or to hoard. Remember guys, it is not hoarding, it is inspiration. But if you really want to be generous, pass it on to somebody else. Don't hoard things, just gift them. It's like a little ephemera holder. It's basically a paper wallet. So you've got a pocket here on the front. You see I put what we made last Friday freebie. And then you've got a big pocket here for, I suppose, your cash or your little paper. Okay, and then it just closes like this. So that's the one I made using my ephemera kit, and this one here is just using a plain white piece of paper. Now when you do this origami project, you always use the thinnest paper that you have. This is simply copy paper. Apologies for the state of my hands. I got Sharpie, I got paint, I got charcoal, I got ink, because I got all sorts on my hands. So let me show you how to make it. It looks complicated, but it's very easy. I mean, you can either put money or gift cards for like Christmas or birthday or any sort of occasion that you have, but they're super easy. I mean, you can even decorate if you use plain paper like this one, not necessarily white, but you can use any plain paper, you can decorate it. But I quite like the idea of being very busy with my ephemera kit. I will put the link down below, and also I will put the link down below on the Friday freebie video in case you guys have missed it. So what you need to do to make that, we need a piece of a rectangular paper. This is simply A4, really thin. It's a copy paper. It's the thinnest copy paper ever. So follow me, okay? It's not complicated, but you've got to follow me. So fold it in half on the short side. If you use white paper, clean your desk. Don't do like what I'm doing, because you're picking up all sorts. And also wash your hands, so don't do what I do. Right, fold it in half, okay? Then we fold both of the sides inwards. So we start from this side. So we fold this one inwards. You don't really have to use the bone folder because the paper is really thin, but I do like having sharp line. Yeah, sharp lines all the way. Okay, so we fold it in four. Okay, so fold it in half first and then in two. Now the side on your right, so this side here, we're going to fold in half again. Okay, like these. And then we just fold it back to itself. Okay, and this one here is this little pocket that we're going to put our ephemera in, or cash or whatever. Okay, then what we do, turn it over. Okay, so that little pocket is on the other side facing your desk, and then you've got to lift it probably about 1.5 centimeters, like 1/4 of an inch on both sides. Okay, so those two here that we just made are those two tabs. Now what I need you guys to do, so lift it up. So you see you got a longer piece and a shorter piece. On the longer piece, I need you to open it up, form a triangle inside and fold it back up. Okay, so I'll show you on the other side. So the long bit, so you've got a long and a short, open it up, form a triangle inside and then fold it back up. Okay, then what I need you guys to do, you fold it back, okay, enforce this line and then fold it back out. Okay, so reinforce this score line here. What we need to do, guys, so you see this pocket here is the one inside, so we need to fold it like this way, and you need to put this side here inside this little tab. Okay, so look what I'm doing. I'm lifting the one with the triangle we just made, and then this one here is going inside. Okay, I'll show you, just like that. So you simply lift it and put it inside. I'll do the same on the other side. So you see the one with the triangle, lift it up. Can you see your triangle that we just made? And then we put in this one inside that little pocket. Okay, and then press it all down. Okay, and that is it. Then last bit, we fold it in half, and that is our wallet. So when you open it, you've got a front pocket and then the two pockets here, so we can put our ephemera there. I mean, you can do what you want with it. And then on the bigger pocket, I put this one. Okay, so you've got a main pocket and a two front pocket. I mean, as I said, guys, if you use a plain paper, you can decorate the front, you can put a little Velcro dots, you can put a ribbon, do what you think you like. That is it. Very simple, under 10 minutes for once. Clap to myself, I'm very proud. That's the plain version. That's the one with my ephemera kit. So it's all depends what you guys like most. For me, it's all about more is more. So I will probably use that. And this is a little way to gift something to somebody. You can either put a tea bag, or you can put like a little some coffee pouches or chocolates, like something that is really flat, and then close it, put a little ribbon, and that is a little gift to somebody. Okay, right, guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me the biggest thumbs up on this planet. It really helps supporting the channel and the video, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until Friday, stay safe and well.